Hello and welcome back to Darshan Dev. I'm Darshan and welcome to the third video of our HTML crash course. So, in this video we are going to do something new. We are going to insert video and audio into our web page. So, I've commented out everything that we have learned until now, and if you have not started with HTML yet, so go over to the first video of this crash course and start from there. So let's begin. So day 3, let's give a heading. It will be video audio, because that's what we're going to do today. Save it, refresh, yeah, we get it here. And now we are going to see how we can insert video. So I have a video in this folder, intro to HTML folder, and that is html5minutes.mkv, which is one of my videos which teaches you HTML in 5 minutes. It doesn't cover a lot, but yeah, that's kind of a basic HTML video. So to insert video, it's obvious, you use a video tag. But in a video tag you get this src option. You may use it or you may not use it. Like, usually people have 2 or more video sources, so if one does not work, there will be the other one that will be used. So we generally use this source tag inside of this video tag, and in there, instead of the source set, we just use src and give a video URL, and then we give a type like video slash the video format. That is, it can be either mp4 or ogg or webm. Out of these 3 formats you can use any one. Anyways, you should not use something like avi or anything else, because HTML supports only 3 formats really well. So if you use an avi, you cannot guarantee that it will work well. So mine is mp4 and my URL is going to be html5minutes.mkv. so I put it here, html5minutes.mkv. I'll put another video in here, just a second. So as you can see, I've put one more video which is cssselectors.mp4 over here, and one more audio which is breeze.mp3. so later for the audio part. Okay, let's remove this source tag, we are not going to use it, and put a source tag in here with source equal to our video, that is one selector css selectors mp4, and it has a type of video slash mp4, and this should be mkv. Sorry for that. Save it and let's see how it goes. We will open our file here, refresh it. So we have our video over here, but it looks like an image. How do we play it? So here comes our controls. So inside the video tag, type controls, yeah, and after you type it, save it and refresh it. It will give you all the controls like this timeline and your picture in picture, play, pause.
Hello and welcome back to Darshan Dev. I'm Darshan, and today we're going to learn a lot of CSS.
So this is our CSS video. So the first video did not work, I suppose. Let's see why. I think I should change it to mp4. Yeah, so it works now. So it goes this way. It checks for the first source tag. If it works, it plays that. If it does not work, it goes on to the second source tag and plays that one. So ideally you should have both the same videos, because you don't want to play another video if one does not play. You just want to change the format. But I've put 2 videos just to show you. So when we save it to video slash mp4, it gives you the HTML video. So Let's play and see.
Hey there, welcome back to Darshan Dev. I'm Darshan, and in this video we are going to go over a few of the HTML tags. And
So this is the video. So we know how to insert videos in our HTML web page. But there's one more thing that you can do here. You can add a height and width directly in here. Height equals I'll do 200 pixels and I save it. So there it goes. Height is 200 pixels.
Hey there, welcome back to Darshan.
So that way you can do height and width, but you don't have to do width because it will scale appropriately. So we'll let this video be here, and then we'll put audio. And simply audio is like very similar to video. You have to do just the same things. Like you have to put a source tag in there with our source equal to summer.mp3 and the next one equal to breeze.mp3, or we can do other way also. And our type will be audio/mp3, and I'll copy it and paste it. So this one is gonna be summer.mp3. I save it. So ideally breeze.mp3 should play. I refresh, but we don't see anything here. That's because we have not added controls. So we give a space, type controls and save, and now it should give you the play button and this. So let's play it. So that's how Breeze playing. And let's do one more thing. We'll just place this one at the top and see how it goes. Now it should play summer. So this is the summer. So that's how we insert audio and video into our HTML web pages. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and also to stay tuned with my channel and to get such amazing programming videos each and every day. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you always get notified. Bye bye.